Alright, after a morning of Zoom classes.
Yo, what's up?
We are going fishing. And on the new old rig. And we got some fishing license to buy. So thank you, Kelly's Outdoors. Potential sponsor of the video. Alright, we are licensed to fish in Delaware. Just pushed off the dock. So let's roll. Hey, Dylan with the first hike. Oh, Kyle! Oh, we got double! Reel her in, Kyle! Bring her in! Oh, we got a yellow perch! Yellow perch!
Yo, let's go!
Nice fish, Kyle!
Look at Dylan.
And Dylan, too.
Boys.
Let's get a look at that, Kyle. Woo! Yellow perch, man. Nice.
Woo! I barely got it.
Man, we gotta switch these crankbaits.
Look how I got it.
That hook?
Yeah.
Alright. There it is. First bass. Back here in the shallows. That's a nice looking bass. Alright, put her back, Dylan. There she goes. Still haven't caught a fish, but that's changing right now. Back here on this river, Dylan just hooked up on a big boy. Woo!
Here, grandma's here.
Like this skinny little.
Aww. That's awesome, bro.
Big man strikes again on the way out. Jeez.
Little guy.
Little guy. Come on, pick up the slack, Kyle.
Working back.
Hook a fish, Brandon.
Alright, that was a pretty good day. How much we catch, Dylan? Yeah, we got like
Four bass. Oh, no,
seven.
we caught 7. One yellow perch, 2 pike, and pickerel. And the bass, but yeah, a little bit of fog moved in and it's freezing right now. But that's the day. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, help the cause. You know I'm gonna be big one day. You know it. See you in the next one.